Okay, Samantha.
So this is their cake, the competition, Macas for life, and then ours is Karma. Look at that. Look at that designing. Look at that. Look, there's a flower, happy face.
Look at that chocolate.
Look at
That's
that.
a happy face?
Look at
That's a
that.
happy face? Can I see the blue face? Yeah,
You're insulting a little 12-year-old. Like, do you have any feelings? Like, my bad. 13.
You are an insultment for 17-year-olds.
No, okay?
Even though we're not 17.
Look at this. It's like a, I don't know what that is. Looks like.
Look at the pill right there. That works. Look at that.
No. Look, and she's just, no, it looks like a straight line right there.
You know what, Samantha? Mama, come here. I will spray this on you. Yours is not even all nice. Look, you're copying with the sprinkles.
Well, YouTube viewers, you vote. Which one is better? Ours? Or theirs?
Her cake sucks. Ours is awesome.
You choose. You choose. Which one is better?
We didn't make a mess.
You choose.
Yeah, look at Samantha's.
What is that? What is that? I think that's a mess right there. Look at that.
Yeah, with my finger.
What is that?
See, it's so good.
What is
Lick
that?
it off.
What is
We
that?
were licking
What is that?
the plate.
Look, it's even under the plate. I put my hand under and it's under the plate. You see that?
Shut up, Samantha.
Look at that. Ours
Look at this. Look at that
Look,
right
and
there.
we got even
It's not
the big
perfectly
sprinkles.
even.
We got the big
Whatever.
sprinkles.
We don't need big sprinkles. That's how amazing.
No.
Shut up, Samantha. Look.
Good job, sis. Good job, sis. Say hi to YouTube.
You have her working like a slave.
And what are